Kaya pag sinabi kong huminto kayo. And for those really, alam ko na, I have one word for all of government dito sa Pilipinas. Stop. S-T-O-P. Just stop. Just obey the law. And for the civilians, wala akong hingin. Sabi nila, may extrajudicial killing. It's not that, it's really the interest of the country. Gagawin ko po yan. I will stop corruption, walang droga, kung maaari lang, maubos ko. Pati tao, okay lang sa akin, sabay na sa droga. Criminality, gano'n rin. I will be harsh. And I'm warning you about the horizon, the coming of terrorism. Pareho yan. But I have to talk to the Bitarawan people for peace. Hindi ito makaya kung anong usapan o gera. Kasi ito, historic lang ito. And even the NPAs, sabi nga ni Season, if I'm president or si Grace, he would come to talk. That is a welcome development. Wala akong hangarin except my country. And I pray to God na hindi ako sinasabing bumoto kayo sa akin. I pray to God that the nation will be enlightened by His grace and you can choose the leader. Bahala kayo kung sino. The one who can make it happen. Yung dito sa Katmatan ko, they're worthy. And you can make it happen, I suppose. Pero ako, pag sinabi ko, ang mga tabuhin nyo sanay nito, pag sinabi kong huminto dyan, pag sinabi ko siya gagawin ko dyan, ginagawa ko talaga. Even at the expense of sometimes. But it could be at the expense of honor, or the prestige, or the presidency. Wala akong pakialam. Basta ako may trabaho at gagawin ko. Yung tanim ng bata, inigawan talaga mo yan. Unless you are ready to swallow the bullet. And I will make you do it. Kung hindi nyo alam yan, pumunta kayo ng Davao. Marami ng coin doon sa Central Bank na kinakain sa mga na hindi maniwala. I'm a very impatient man. Wala nga akong ipagyabang. Pagyabang ko, trabaho lang. I never gave any greatness. Wala akong recognition sa school. Hanggang high school, 75 lang lahat. Okay lang yan. Pero noong naabogado ako, medyo matino na ako. And I've learned so much reason, but I will not dwell into so much about the niceties of life. If it is the interest of the nation, I will do it. And finally, I'd like to thank Alan Peter Cayetano, my vice presidential candidate, for joining me, for accommodating me and asking to join me. Maraming salamat po.